Yo, this your boy Trey, back with another video. Alright, so this time I'm here to talk to y'all about the Irobot. I have the i7 and I'm receiving an error. I don't know if you're getting the error. The error goes something like this. So what we're going to do today is try to fix that, see if we could change a part out and see if we fix it. I looked online and I see that it might have been the cleaning module that's giving the blocking the error 26. So what I went and did and went to go buy a cleaning module. I got it from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description where I got mine from. And it comes with rollers and everything. So I'm just going to show y'all how to replace it, change it out. And we're going to see if that fix it. Hopefully it will. Or otherwise, I got to go back to the drawing board. I had my Irobot probably maybe less than a year. And it already went out. So I'm hoping this fixed the problem. As you know, these robots are not really cheap. So let's get to it. Let's say it. Let's go. Let's go. Wait. Hey, don't forget to hit the like button. And why not? Hit the subscribe button too. It's free. Let's make this happen. Let's go. Alright, so when it comes to the taking off the bottom, you want to flip it on over. You want to take off your, I don't know what this is called. I guess your brushes, one of your brushes. You want to take that off. You want to unscrew all the 5 screws that's on the back. Alright. Once you did that, you just take this off. If I unscrewed it all. There you go. Alright, so I'm going to take this, put this to the side. So now you have this part. There's 4 screws right here. They're like mini little screws. Well, they're kind of long, but they're like little mini. So you want to take that off. Once again, I should be using a screwdriver, but don't really care. You want to push this button on the side right here. Get your bend out. That to the side. Then with the 4 screws sticking out, you just want to pull this thing out. Oh, look at that, all dirty and stuff. Alright, so you're going to take your new one. Your new one. Let me stop. Alright, there you go. So, go ahead and put this up in here. Just like so. Alright. Then what you want to do is screw in the 4 screws. Oops. Keep doing that. Remember, use a screwdriver. Don't be like Trey. I never do anything right. Oops. All right. I'm so scared. All right. So when you're done with that, you can go ahead and pop your bin in. It has like a little curve on the side. You just want to pop that on in. Then you want to put your top on. There we go. Go ahead, screw it in. All right, so now we got the screws in. You want to add this back on? I need to get a new one. All right, so we got that. Everything look good. All right, it's time to go take it and check and see if it works. Let's go. All right, so now to check and see if it paid off. Let's see. Cross your fingers. Cross them. Uh-oh. Maybe second time, good time. Come on. Let's go. Who did it? I did. So to conclude, I would like to say thank you for watching. The old module, I'll throw this away, put it in the trash. Like I said, from Amazon, link in the description. Have a great day, enjoy, and see y'all next time. Trey out. Bye. Peace.